I was a paratrooper, so definitely had a high level of fitness. I went from my peak athletic performance to almost not being able to walk and being in a considerable amount of pain all the time.
I can say with pretty good confidence that you have a good hip or knee replacement now. Even if you're very young, you can count on it lasting the rest of your life. We've incorporated lots of new technology in the last 5 years. A robotic assistant for orthopedic surgeries allows us to map out the patient's true anatomy, and it uploads a 3D plan onto a pair of goggles that I wear during surgery. And then we can map out anatomic structures on the patient as we go through surgery, and gives me a visual target for how the implant should be positioned.
And he assured me that I would be able to return to sport, and the technology is pretty amazing. I got my life back.